fried frog legs, y'all. These things are so good. My friend Jody and I decided to cook some beautiful frog legs that we had bow fished. Y'all look how beautiful these frogs were. Yes, we actually bow fished these big old Louisiana frogs. So we used some nice fish fries, some cornmeal. Then we added some Cajun seasoning. Then we added some paprika to our fry mix. Mix it all up, pat down our frog legs, make sure they're dry. Then we add our fry mix to our frog. The best magic part, the sizzle, y'all. I love that sizzle. Looking for that 165 degrees on the meat thermometer to know that the frogs are cooked. And look at them beautiful fried frog legs, y'all. It is so... And actually, we bow fished these frogs, so... even better. These are so good.